Hello, everyone! If you're watching this video, you probably heard about Circle to Search on the Samsung M47 and want to know how it works or how to enable it. Maybe you've seen someone simply circle an object on the screen and instantly get information about it, but on your phone the feature doesn't seem to work. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you everything step by step. Circle to Search is one of the most useful AI features available on modern Samsung phones. It lets you search for anything that's on your screen without taking a screenshot or opening another app. Simply circle, highlight, or tap an object, and your phone will instantly search for it. Whether it's a product, a landmark, text, or an image, you can find information in just a few seconds. Be sure to watch this video until the end, because I'll also explain what to do if Circle to Search is missing on your Samsung M47 or refuses to work. We'll check the required settings, make sure the feature is enabled correctly, and go over the most common reasons why it may not be available. Everything in this guide is simple and beginner-friendly. You won't need to install any extra apps or change complicated settings.